Today in front of me I have NOKIA X30, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can turn on the speaker while on the phone call on this device. So first of all, let me quickly dial somebody. And once on call, all that it's left to do is to tap on the speaker icon over here. Unfortunately, we couldn't hear any reference for it to, well, understand that the speakers were enabled, so let me just make another phone call and demonstrate that the speakers are indeed activated.
Przepraszamy, wybrałeś niepoprawny numer.
As you could have just heard, we've successfully turned on the speaker during the phone call on this device already. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.